Nibble with Willow is an early childhood program that helps develop healthy bodies and healthy relationships. Willow is a baby bunny who lives in a garden where she grows lots of fruits and veggies that she shares with the children she plays with.
Nibble with Willow has been a hit in our class as kindergarten, first grade. Say hi to Willow. Oh, okay.
When Willow comes, they're excited about her coming, and they talk about her the next day all day. The way it's presented with Willow and her garden, she made the food for them. They are so enamored with Willow. She was sleeping for a long time. She's so tired from working in her garden, right? Yes, you do. Okay. Hello. Hi, Willow. Good afternoon, Willow.
It has helped to bring positivity to our children when it comes to their home situations. For example, our children who might have been afraid to eat certain foods or even talk to their parents about certain foods now specifically know how to ask for those foods.
On 3. 1, 2, 3, Nibble!
We're also noticing that our core curriculum, which we have to do in our school, is now made engaging through Nibble with Willow, because now we have a mascot, we have literature, we have videos, we have multimedia that allows our children to engage in a way that shows them a fun way to think about the seasons.
Okay, so you're gonna smell it, touch it, and pass it. Got it?
Got it!
All right, Isha?
Overall, the program is great. It's really helping them also with their fine motor skills, learning to cut and manipulate, the vegetables and everything.
I am going to cradle my cucumber, right?
Like little pieces.
And little pieces. So I'm actually gonna start here and cut down, right? And then I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna cut down my bear claw. Yep.
I have the kids licking their plates because they love it so much. From the beginning, it was a few, and now it's almost all that really dive into their plates.
So you tell me, what do you think about those peas?
Good.
Yes?
I give it 10 out of 10.
5 fat peas
5 fat peas
in a pea pod press.
in a pea pod press.
1 grew, 2 grew, and